I work with international candidates wanting to secure offers, usually from a distance, in countries such as New Zealand, Australia, Canada, the UK, Western Europe, and more. And sometimes I speak to them on a one-on-one strategy consultation, and they are adamant that they have done everything they can to secure their overseas jobs. However, their international job search is something like this. And they think that they have done enough by having a great generic CV and a great generic LinkedIn profile. Now, some of them have gone as far as learning new AI skills to make even better CVs and send it to online job ads automatically. Yes, you can still do that, but it still doesn't work. Why? Because no matter how good your CV and LinkedIn profile is, what if it's still invisible? What if overseas employers have no idea that you ever exist? And by the way, if you're struggling to land an overseas job and want to learn alternative strategies instead of applying online, on the screen here is a link to my free 7-day international career positioning course where you get to learn that. So in this video, I will reveal 3 reasons you are not being headhunted as an international candidate and also recommend some ways to fix it. I'm Zarelsi, an international career strategist and migration mentor, and I help international candidates secure their dream jobs abroad. Now, in this video, let's quickly look at what is holding you back from being discovered by international employers instead of applying online. Number one, your job search strategy. Yes, the job search strategy, not the CV, is what's holding you back mostly. You see, not all job search strategies were created equal. I recommend you watch this video here to see if your job search strategy is working, whatever you're doing, and see the best job search strategies for your situation. Number 2 is your visibility. If you're applying online and you get eliminated by the gates in the hiring funnel, like ATS, applicant tracking systems, you're likely just being kept invisible, no matter how good your CV is. The slide I showed you earlier is a testimony to numbers in the hiring funnel. And typically, even hiring managers will be given between 10 and 25 CVs or resume, regardless of how many applications there were. If there were 13,000 candidates applied online and the hiring manager gets 10 to 35 CVs, how small are your chances, even if you are the best candidate? And the result is you're invisible. Now, for this, you cannot rely on creating a better CV. It makes no difference to the numbers. The only thing that makes a difference is stop avoiding and applying online and implementing other strategies that make you visible. I use these advanced strategies, the visibility strategies, with my elite one-on-one candidates. And if you're interested in working with me one-on-one and these advanced strategies, there is a link on the screen to apply for this exclusive service. Now, just beware, I only take 12 candidates a year. Number 3 is value. Yes, this is purely about competition. It's a dirty word, but hear me out. If you have a fantastic CV and the next person has one too, and the next one, and the next one, what makes you different or more valuable? What are you going to add to that one-dimensional piece of paper that will make you stand out, even if it gets through? So, more skills, more experience, more qualifications. Trust me, this is not what employers are looking for. During the last 2 to 3 years, the market has shifted significantly. In fact, employers are steering away from asking for CVs because they know that this is information that can be fake. So what do you do to make you more valuable than the next person with the same CV? A value profile where you demonstrate your value, proof of skills and action, provide evidence, and show them what you did with your skills, qualifications, and experience, not just list it. This requires a completely different profile to a CV and a generic LinkedIn profile. It requires a star profile and evidence of your value. In other words, you need to market yourself to these employers and match exactly what they want. Now, in the 3V Elite Code, with my one-on-one candidates, I help them secure overseas roles without having to apply for jobs online, rewriting their CVs, or relying on it. And they become the most valuable, the most visible candidates, and then become shoulder tapped by their overseas employers. Now, remember, there is a link to the 7-day international career positioning course below here. And if you want to learn how to become the most visible and most valuable candidate, you can use that for free. I hope this video was valuable and helped you understand why you have not been shoulder tapped yet as an international candidate. It's likely that your strategy, that is applying online even with a great CV, is holding you back and keeping you invisible. And or that even if you do get through, overseas employers cannot see why you are more valuable than others. Now, until next time, take care.